Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Rupa and I talk about healing, intuition, and reconnecting with your inner self. Today we are diving into one of my favorite spiritual topics, angel numbers. What they are, why they show up, and what they are actually trying to tell you. If you ever looked at the clock and it said 11:11 or kept seeing 222 everywhere, this is for you. Angel numbers are repeating numbers, sequences like 111, 222, 333, 444, and so on. They are considered messages from the universe, your spirit guides, or your higher self. Gentle signs guiding you, comforting you, or nudging you in a certain direction. Now you might ask, why numbers? Numbers carry vibrational energy. Ancient numerology teaches that each number holds a unique frequency, like a spiritual language. When these numbers repeat, it's believed that universe is speaking to you in a way that grabs your attention. Think of angel numbers as little whispers from the divine. Hey, pay attention, something is shifting. Have you ever felt like a specific number is talking you? You look at your phone, it's 11:11. You buy a coffee, it's $4.44. You see a license plate with 222. Some call it a coincidence, others call it as a glitch in the matrix. But in the world of spirituality, these are angel numbers. Today we are breaking down what they are and why they keep popping up in your life. Angel numbers often show up when you're in a moment of alignment, even if it doesn't feel like it. They are reminders that you're not alone and that the path you're walking actually matters. Sometimes, when your intuition is getting stronger, you naturally become more aware of synchronicities. Angel numbers are one of the first signs that your inner world is waking up. So, why do angel numbers suddenly appear during certain moments of your life? Most people start noticing them when they are going through a spiritual awakening, or they are healing old patterns, they are stepping into a new chapter, they are asking the universe for guidance, or they are feeling lost and need reassurance. So, how do they work? Let's talk about how angel numbers actually work. They don't force anything, they don't predict the future, or they simply reflect what's happening energetically in your life. For example, 111 often appears when you are manifesting or starting something new. 222 shows up when you need patience, balance, or reassurance. 333 is an encouragement to trust your creativity or inner voice. 44 is a big message of protection. 555 usually means change is coming. 777 relates to spiritual growth. 888 brings abundance. 999 shows completion or closure. These aren't rigid definitions, they are energetic themes. What matters most is how you feel when you see that number. So, if you have been seeing repeating numbers everywhere, don't ignore it. It's not random, it's not a coincidence, it's a conversation. Angel numbers are reminders that there is a guidance around you, even on the days when you can't feel it. They are signs that you're supported, that you are growing, and that your energy is shifting, sometimes in a ways you cannot fully see yet. And the more you trust that guidance, the more aligned and connected you start to feel. If you're seeing angel numbers right now, trust that something beautiful is unfolding in your life. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. If this message resonated or if angel numbers have been showing up for you lately, let me know in the comments. I love hearing how the universe speaks to you. Remember, these signs are here to support you, guide you, and remind you that you are never walking this path alone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a little spiritual reassurance today. And as always, trust your intuition, stay open to the signs, and I'll see you in the next one.